saying is that definitely sex trafficking has been increasing, okay, all across the globe. Post-COVID, we find that across the globe there has been increase, and Goa is no different. What our concern has been, there has been drastical reduction in rescues in Goa. This year, total only 19 girls have been rescued from commercial sexual exploitation, whereas the average figure yearly of victims rescued from sex trafficking used to be 100. So we are wondering that what has happened because of which the numbers have reduced. Today, if you see that we have 2 ASTUs in Goa, we have a device P appointed as anti-human trafficking cell. We have SP appointed anti-human trafficking cell. Still, why the numbers are reducing? Is it that the trafficking has reduced to Goa? And if so, which doesn't appear to us based on our field information, if so, the police has to come out with some statement. We are increasingly seeing is that a large number of bars are being used as dance bars. Okay. We need to understand based on the experience of Bombay that if we don't take action against these bars, it will become an organized center for not only commercial sexual exploitation but also for crime. We wonder that how the girls are dancing in the bars, even though there is no provision, no licensing system in Goa about for dancing girls. We wonder that what are the other authorities who are supposed to monitor these bars, like an exercise department, what are they doing? These bars have got licenses to run bars, not for dances. We have learned that many of these bars, there is pole dance happening. Girls are recruited to dance in the bars. This has become a place for soliciting. We intend to, whatever we have presented today, we intend to reach out to all the concerned authorities, okay, and petition them along with everyone, saying is that these are recommendations of Government of India study, please implement that, and also to highlight them that the rescues have reduced, okay. They need to share us the reasons behind them, what information they have, okay, and we intend to jointly plan out how we can rescue the girls who are being trafficked to Goa.